Potatoes and chicken are a match made in culinary heaven. Picture this: tender, juicy chicken roasted to perfection, paired with fluffy, buttery mashed potatoes. The secret? Seasoning. A sprinkle of garlic, rosemary, and a touch of paprika elevates the flavors. You can even toss them together in a hearty casserole, baking until golden and bubbly. And let's not forget the versatility. Whether it's crispy fried chicken with wedges or a comforting chicken and potato stew, there's a dish for every craving. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember this dynamic duo and let your taste buds celebrate.